Hi, Maryland. This video is for the Pick 3 Pi Method videos that I like to do sometimes. All that is taking the first 6 digits of pi, which are 314 and 159, and then testing about a month prior to see if we can figure out the potential numbers in the next 7 days. So for Maryland, you guys seem to like Thursdays. The adjustments are -1 and then no adjustment for straight and box, and I'll show you guys later what I mean by that. Also, this video will be, or the first half of that will be a step-by-step guide on how I go about doing that process. So on January 11th, you had 351 hit. You're going to add 314, so 3 plus 3 is 6, 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 1 plus 4 is 5. You're going to subtract off 314, so 3 minus 3 is 0, 5 minus 1 is 4, and then 11 minus 4 is 7. 665 and 047 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to take 665, which you got from up here. You're going to add 159, so 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 5 is 11, keep the 1. And then 5 plus 9 is 14, keep the 4. You're going to subtract off 159, so 6 minus 1 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. And then 15 minus 9 is 6, so 516 and 714 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to take 047, which you got from the previous page there. You're going to add 159, so 0 plus 1 is 1, 4 plus 5 is 9, and then 7 plus 9 is 16. Keep the 6. You're going to subtract off the 159, so 10 minus 1 is 9, 14 minus 5 is 9, and then 17 minus 9 is 8. 998 and 196 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to mirror the 351. You're going to add 314, so 8 plus 3 is 1, or 11, keep the 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, and then 6 plus 4 is 10, keep the 0. And then subtract off 314, so 8 minus 3 is 5. 10 minus 1 is 9. And then 6 minus 4 is 2. You're going to subtract 1 off the 592, bring 92 down, and then 5 minus 1 is 4. And that was a straight hit on January 15th. Okay, so you're going to take 110. You're going to add 159 to that. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 5 is 6. And then 0 plus 9 is 9. And then 110 minus 159. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 11 minus 5 is 6. And then 10 minus 9 is 1. And 269 and 061 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to take 592. You're going to add 159 to that. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 9 plus 5 is 14. Keep the 4. And then 2 plus 9 is 11. Keep the 1. You're going to also subtract off the 159. 5 minus 1 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4, and then 12 minus 9 is 3. So 641 and 443 did not hit in the next 7 days. So from this point, I'm just going to show you what did hit and not what did not hit. So on January 18th, 702 hit. You're going to subtract off 314, so 7 minus 3 is 4. 10 minus 1 is 9, and then 12 minus 4 is 8. And then 498 was a straight hit on January 20th. You're going to mirror the the 702. You're gonna subtract off 314. So 12 minus 3 is 9. 5 minus 1 is 4, and then 7 minus 4 is 3. You're gonna subtract off 159. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 14 minus 5 is 9. And then 13 minus 9 is 4. So 894 was a box hit on January 20th. On January 25th, 637 hit. I'm going to add 314, so 6 plus 3 is 9. 3 plus 1 is 4, and then 7 plus 4 is 11. Keep the 1. You're going to subtract off 159, so 9 minus 1 is 8. 14 minus 5 is 9, and then 11 minus 9 is 2. And then take down 89 and subtract off 1 from 2, and that's 891. And that was a box hit on February 1st. You're going to also minus off the 314, so 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2, and then 7 minus 4 is 3. You're going to subtract off 159 from 323, so 3 minus 1 is 2. 12 minus 5 is 7, and then 13 minus 9 is 4. So you're going to take down the 24 and then subtract off 1 from 7, and that's 264. And that did hit on January 31st. On February 2nd, 981 hit. Going to mirror it to 436, so 4 minus 3 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, and then 6 minus 4 is 2. You're going to subtract off 159, so 1 minus 1 is 0. 12 minus 5 is 7, and then 12 minus 9 is 3. You're going to take down the 03 and then subtract 1 off 7, and that's 063, and that was a hit on February 2nd. And then on February 8th, you had 521 hit. You're going to add 314, so 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then 1 plus 4 is 5. You're going to subtract off 1 and then bring that down, so that's 2, and then bring down 85. And then 825 was a box hit on February 13th. You're going to also subtract off 314, so 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, and then 11 minus 4 is 7. You're going to subtract off 159, so 2 minus 1 is 1. 11 minus 5 is 6. And then 17 minus 9 is 8. And then you will take down the 18, subtract 1 off of 6, and that's 158. And that was a hit on February 10th. You're going to also subtract 1 off the 168 there. So you see the 217, and then subtract off 159 to give you 168, and then subtract off 1 from that 1 there. So that's 068, and that also was a box hit on today, on February 15th. And then you would mirror the 521 to 076. 0 plus 3 is 3. 7 plus 1 is 8. And then 6 plus 4 is 10. Keep the 0. You're going to add 159. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 8 plus 5 is 13. Keep the 3. And then 0 plus 9 is 9. You're going to subtract 1 off the 4 and 439. And that was 339, and that was a straight hit on February 12th. And then based on all of that, the potential numbers in the next 7 days, I'll show you in just a second here. They are circled, and then I will do a brief summary at the very end too. So your 806 hit tonight. You're going to mirror that to 351. You're going to add 314, so 3 plus 3 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 1 plus 4 is 5. You're going to add 159, so 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 5 is 11, keep the 1. And then 5 plus 9 is 14, keep the 4. You're going to take 714 minus 1 off the 7, bring down 1 4, and then 7 minus 1 is 6. So 614. Okay, so you're gonna mirror that 806 to 351 still. 351 minus 314, so 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4, and then 11 minus 4 is 7. You're going to subtract off 159, so 10 minus 1 is 9. 14 minus 5 is 9, and then 17 minus 9 is 8. You're going to also subtract off 1 from the middle 9 there, so that's 988. And you also from the 351 to minus the 314, you're going to minus 1 off the 0 and 047, and that's 947. So you're also going to take 806 minus 314, so 8 minus 3 is 5. 10 minus 1 is 9, and then 6 minus 4 is 2, so 592. You're going to add 314, so 8 plus 3 is 1, or 11, keep the 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, and then 6 plus 4 is 10, keep the 0. You're going to subtract off 159, so 1 minus 1 is 0. 11 minus 5 is 6, and then 10 minus 9 is 1. You're going to subtract off 1 from that third digit 1 there, so bring down 06. You're going to also subtract off 1 there, so that's 060. Okay, and then you're going to take the 806, subtract off 314, so we already did that math there, so that's 592. You're going to subtract off 159, so 5 minus 1 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4, and then 12 minus 9 is 3. And then you're going to subtract off 1 from the 4, the second 4 there, so bring down 4, 3. And then 4 minus 1 is 3. And then just follow the example right underneath the 433 there. So 433 and then minus 1 there. And that's 333. And then if you go back to this one over here, 806 plus 314. 8 plus 3 is 11, keep the 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. And then 6 plus 4 is 10, keep the 0. And then you'll subtract off 1 from that middle 1 there. So that's going to give 100. And then based on all of that, the potential numbers in the next 7 days are 614, 047, 947, 998, 060, 333, 433, 100, 988, and 592. So keep in mind, the numbers may not fall exactly like this. They might go up 1 or 2 or down 1 or 2. So just for a couple quick examples, 614 could turn into 615, 616, 613, 612. And then let's go with 100 there. So that could turn into 101, 102, 109, 108. And then one thing I wanted to point out here is, I don't know if you noticed this or not, but with the 806 that hit tonight, that was a mirror to the number, 315 on January 11th. So I would be interested. I haven't done a really thorough search yet, but I'm very curious if Maryland, if they typically just have mirrors hit a lot. But I haven't done enough research, but I just happened to notice that. So if you have been playing in Maryland a lot, let me know if they typically have mirrors hit like a month later. Just for an example, so, like that 315 that hit on January 11th turned into 806 tonight. So that's pretty much it, everyone. If you do have any questions, just let me know in the comments.